Replacing or installing windows in your Kendall home doesn't have to break the bank. Affordable window installation options are available that balance cost, quality, and performance. Whether you're upgrading for better energy efficiency, enhancing your home's appearance, or addressing damage, understanding what to expect for your budget is essential. Here's a breakdown to guide you through the process. Understanding affordable window installation. Window installation involves more than just putting in a pane of glass. The cost varies based on factors such as window type, material, size, and labor. In Kendall, where weather conditions can be extreme, ensuring your windows are durable and energy efficient is critical, but that doesn't mean they need to be expensive. Affordable options are available for a range of needs, and knowing what's included in the process helps you get the most value for your money. Types of windows and their costs. The type of window you choose significantly affects the cost. Here's what you can expect from common affordable options. Single-hung window. Single-hung windows are a cost-effective choice. They feature a fixed top sash and a bottom sash that slides vertically. They're simple, functional, and easy to install, making them a popular option for budget-conscious homeowners. Average cost. Installed, $200 $500 per window. Double-hung windows. While slightly more expensive than single-hung models, double-hung windows offer added versatility as both sashes can slide. These are great for ventilation and cleaning but can still be affordable depending on the material. Average cost. Installed, $300 $600 per window. Sliding window. Sliding windows open horizontally and are ideal for wider spaces. They're easy to operate, cost-effective, and provide a modern look. Average cost. Installed, $250 $600 per window. Vinyl window. Vinyl windows are among the most affordable and energy-efficient options. They require minimal maintenance and are available in various styles. Average cost. Installed, $150 $400 per window. Material choices and budget impact. The materials you choose for your window frames also play a role in cost. Here's a quick comparison of affordable materials. Vinyl. Most budget-friendly, durable, and energy-efficient. Ideal for Kendall's humid climate. Cost. Low. Aluminum. Lightweight and affordable, but less energy efficient than vinyl. Best for modern designs. Cost. Moderate. Fiberglass. Slightly more expensive but offers excellent energy efficiency and durability. Cost. Moderate to high. Installation costs and labor. In Kendall, labor costs for window installation can range from $50 to $150 per window, depending on complexity and local rates. Hiring experienced professionals ensures the job is done correctly and avoids costly issues later. Many companies offer free estimates, so you can compare pricing and find an installer that fits your budget. What's included in affordable installation packages? When looking for affordable window installation, ensure the package includes the following services to maximize your investment. consultation and measurement. And professional installers assess your space, recommend window types, and ensure precise measurements. Removal of old windows. The cost often includes the removal and disposal of your old windows. Window installation includes securely fitting the new windows and sealing them to prevent air or water leaks. Cleanup and inspection. And a good installer will leave your space clean and perform a final inspection to ensure everything meets quality standards. Tips for saving on window installation. Get multiple quotes. Comparing quotes from local installers helps you find the best price without sacrificing quality. Choose standard sizes. Custom-sized windows are more expensive. Opting for standard sizes can reduce costs. Look for promotions or discounts. Many companies in Kendall offer seasonal discounts, package deals, or financing options. DIY prep work. You can save on labor by handling small tasks like clearing the workspace or removing window treatments. Affordable yet durable options for Kendall's climate. Affordable windows should still meet the needs of Kendall's subtropical weather. Look for options with features like energy efficiency. Windows with low E coatings and insulated frames reduce cooling costs. Impact resistance. Essential for hurricane-prone areas to protect your home. UV protection. Prevents interior fading from intense sunlight. Final thoughts. Quality on a budget. Affordable window installation in Kendall is not about cutting corners. It's about finding the best value for your budget. By choosing durable materials, working with reliable professionals, and selecting cost-effective designs, you can enjoy new windows that enhance your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency without overspending. Take the first step by researching local installers, comparing quotes, and exploring financing options. With careful planning, upgrading your windows can be a budget-friendly project that adds lasting value to your Kendall home.